Sake. Oh my god. Yeah.
Hi. So this is gonna sound weird, but my friends they bet me $20. So like, can I split with you? If you like, it's kind of weird, but like, they said they're gonna give you $20.
If what?
I don't think you're gonna like what he's gonna say. If I can touch your kid.
No.
That's what I'm saying. They bet me $20.
No.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
It's your fucking story, dumb. Ding, ding. Open the door. Open the door. No, bro, why would you do that? Why would you do that, bro?
Why are you in front of my door?
He came over here, he started knocking on your door, and then and I was like, bro, stop. And then he rang the door, and he's doing all that stuff.
But you holding the gun up to my ring camera. Why you doing it?
No, I'm not. This is I mean it is, but I was just playing, and then he actually came. He came, and then he started toon toon toon, and I was like, bro. And then he rang the bell, and then he started running.
Tell him don't do that no more. Before I call the laws for him.
All right, listen. He listened. 15:21.
Okay, so don't be no snitch, but go ahead and go have fun, okay?
All right, thank you. Fuck.
I ran out of Sprite.
Can I help you?
What's up, buddy? Hey, Chris.
It's frozen.
You're frozen. Where's the wall?
Why are you ringing my doorbell?
Cause I can.
Oh god, just 1 second.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. I've got something for you, Daddy.
Just put it down.
Yeah, I've got some money here as well.
Okay, just put it down.
Are you coming to get it?
We're not here. We're on holiday. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're on holiday? Huh. Oh, can you do me a favour? Can you phone your daddy up and tell him I'm here?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
When are you going? Excuse me, can I talk to you a minute? Excuse me. Bye-bye.
your wallet with your ID in it. This is the address. So I brought it all the way out here. You live really, really far though, so I just wanted to see if I could take it wasn't 1,000 in here. I counted it, it was only 300. But I wanted to see if I could grab I just wanted to see if I could grab only grab 20. I just wanted to see if I wanted to grab 20 real quick for gas, because gas is high. If you see like a little $7 charge on your card, I had to pay my my Netflix thing. But I wrote down the log.
Hello. Hello. Hiya, Miss Lawson. Just want to let you know, be careful coming out in the morning. You don't slip on that shit I've just done on your drive there. Because your dog seems to think he can just shit on my drive. So let me just tell you, Karma's a fucking bitch, love.
Oh, well, I had to put him down yesterday. It was a sad one, to be fair.
That's unfortunate, to be honest, love. Because if it weren't you putting it down, it'd definitely have been me. Because I'd have just 619 your dog straight away. Because that little fucking rat of yours, good job he's gone. Fucking I went flying the other day with the missus.
Oh, look, I'm so sorry about
It's too late for sorries now. Innit? Because he's gone and there's a fucking shit on your drive. Let me just let you know, love, Karma's a fucking bitch. She'll have to, Miss Lawson.
Like some chemical smell, you'll smell it.
Oh, this is no
And he threw flakes in it.
Mommy,
Put
this
the
is
stuff
no
down and then you throw this. Sorry.
Holy shit!
Sorry.
He needs a hero, buddy.
Ew!
Come back in the house.
Mom. Jew.
What?
Mom.
What?
She's coming.
Yeah.
Hello.
What's up?
She hears me. Hold up. Here, put it. Hold up, Mom. Hold up. Hold up. Put it.
Hi, do you want us to shovel your driveway for $20?
Yeah. Yes, we do. I'll get you $20 right now, but we have to leave, so I'll give you the money if you can shovel it, then we'll be back in an hour, okay?
Okay.
Okay, 1 second.
Did you say that's no? Oh, rich.
Our paper bags, all our money to be counted up on. We're rich. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
Oh, dude, thank you.
You know, it's doing a really good job, because it's paid us first.
Hello, motherfucker. Hi, butt cheek. Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's a delivery driver. Oh, that's your parcel gone. If you're going to be rude to the delivery driver.
Hey.
Oh, hi.
What's up? Can I help you?
No.
I live here.
Oh. I'm probably at the wrong house, dude.
Hello.
Awoken the spirits that haunt this house. Hurry and leave a message before it's too late.
Through the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Yeah. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. I love you. Oh, but unlock the door. Why won't you answer? You come over here right now. I'm getting angry.